Hey everyone, I am Corey Joe Humphreys or CJ, and this is a Secret Lair unboxing. So, Secret Lair Drop Series, Artist Series, Chris Rahn. Hopefully I'm getting your name right. It has my name here because me and my friends buy them in bulk, and we don't want to mix up. I really do like, because this is the first time I've gotten the packaging like this, and I really like this better than the boxes. So let's do the satisfying. Oh, I really like the sticker. So when you open it, I like the new way it's opened, and it comes with a thank you letter first. It's a bit creased at the bottom, but I'm okay with that. And it says thank you a lot, but I really like the thing. I will put it to the side. Now it comes to the product itself. It comes in the classic packaging, and I find that the first thing I've noticed is that it is not curved, but since this is my first time opening, I thought they might have done the kind of spare card with it, but I'm now hoping the spare card is in the package itself. So this Secret Lair is all the art done by Chris, and I will start off by going in the order that comes up. So this is Kozilek the Great Distortionist, or Distortion. 8 and 2 wastes. You get a legendary creature, Eldrazi, that is a mythic. Whenever you cast a spell, if you have fewer than 7 cards in your hand, draw cards equal to the difference. It has Menace. Discard a card with a mana value X, counter target spell with mana value X, and it is a 12/12. I have one of these in my Anima deck, so the plan is to get it out for 2 wastes. I love the artwork in this, and this card here is the main reason I bought this set. Primeval Titan, or Primetime. For 4 and 2 green, you get a creature giant that is a mythic. It has trample. Whenever Primeval Titan enters the battlefield or attacks, you may search your library for up to 2 lands and put them on the battlefield tapped, then shuffle. I know that this is banned, but I got it because I collected all the Titans and I have them all, but this art was absolutely beautiful that I couldn't say no. Next is Platinum Angel. This is my favorite art of Platinum Angel. I've loved every single art piece more than the original when it comes to this Secret Lair set. So Platinum Angel, for 7 you get a artifact creature angel that is a rare. It has flying. You can't lose the game and your opponents can't win the game, and it is a 4/4. I find this to be a very annoying but fun card. Next, oh yeah, I'm correct. So next is Huntmaster of the Fallen. For 2 red and a green, you get a creature human werewolf that is a mythic. When this creature enters the battlefield or transforms into a human of the or huntsman of the fallen, create a 2/2 green wolf creature token, and you gain 2 life. At the beginning of your upkeep, if no spells were cast this turn, transform into Headhunter of the Fallen or Huntmaster of the Fallen, and it is a 2/2. And on the other side, it is Revenger of the Fells. It's a creature werewolf with trample. Whenever this creature transforms into Revenger of the Fells, it deals 2 damage to target opponent or planeswalker, and 2 damage to 1 target creature that player or planeswalker's controller controls. At the beginning of each upkeep, if a player casts more than 2 spells, transform him into the other side, and it is a 4/4. So I always wanted the original one, and so this was a good reason, because I wanted all of these cards, and I'm not going to read through it again because I messed up a lot. But you get the sketch version, which I'm not sure which I prefer out of the 2. I definitely prefer this side of the back, but when it comes to the front, I'm not quite sure. So that is this set. It is absolutely amazing. I wanted all these cards, and now I'm happy to have them all. This is going into a deck, and I'm not sure what to do with these yet. That's banned, so I'll probably never use it, but I'm so happy that I have it. But let me know which Huntmaster is your favorite, and what you think of this Secret Lair in general, and I will see you in the next video.